Welcome to the channel. Got ourselves another one here. All that greenage you see at the front of the house, those are all weeds. We got a crawl space to get into for a refinance. Let's check it out. All right, folks. Well, I don't really know what to expect from this one. I pulled up to the house. There's just spider webs. The front porch is just covered in all kinds of stuff. All the blinds to the house look like they're all busted and broken. I hate to just assume the worst, but I can tell that I'm about to get into a situation here. And this is a refinance. So if you're trying to refinance at this time, obviously you need some cash. The soffit's all busted out. I have no idea what to expect in this crawl space. I got this big old hill right here. Somebody just carved it out, decided to plop a house here. You can tell all that water probably finds its way in the crawl space. If you guys see my videos, you know I can probably tell what's about to happen. This is one of those where I think nothing good is going to come out of this crawl space. There's a little spider. But let's go. Let's take a dive, because this is what we do. We get in crawl spaces and we learn. I'll see you down there. All right, got ourselves a funky lock over here. Oof. You can smell the, it's like a hamster cage when you open it up. Oh my, look at those spider webs. Oh my God. Looks like we're about to get into something here. You can always tell when I get in these crawl spaces what's about to happen. Just a ton of spider webs. I can smell very musky, mildew, mold. You see all this insulation, very ratty down here. You can tell a lot of critters have been coming in and out. I don't know. We're gonna find out. This is why we do this. So this is actually in a nice neighborhood, but I don't think this is one of the. Look at all that fungi. Oh my goodness, that's terrible. Well, somebody did some kind of repairs. Not really, but yeah. So they went ahead and sistered about a 4-foot section, 4-foot piece. Look at that. You might as well just bring back the contractor, because they didn't put flashing. That board right there, that goes to the decking. They're supposed to sister that and take that all the way to that bearing point right there. When you cut a joist, you're supposed to carry it from one bearing point to the other. You cannot put a little piece there with the hanger and sister it. That ain't gonna fly. That doesn't. At least not in these woods. Not that these woods are perfect. South Carolina, these codes here are a little weird. Look at all the insulation just stripping down. I am not even going to go that way. I don't know if you guys can see it in the camera. I don't even know which way to go. The spider webs are absolutely insane. Look at all that. You can actually see all the little pieces of insulation on there. I hope you guys can see that at home. Just an absolute massive amount of spider webs. Holy smokes. I pray that everything's going to work out for this house. I truly doubt it. I already see something right here. I see just dollar signs. I just see so much money that's going to have to be invested already just looking into this. Look at the subfloor. Oh, Lord. I haven't even been in this house, but I could just... I looked at inside the garage. The garage door was open. There was just mountains of stored items. Like 50 packs of cigarettes, 50 cans of 50 monster cans. Not a good situation. I don't know. You always try to hope for the best. People might be dealing with some personal things. You don't know, but I tell you who's dealing with some personal things is this crawl space. This crawl space is in bad shape. already with the amount of fungus, I already see that it needs to be encapsulated. All that water stains right there, that came from the ductwork, from the humidity. As I walked around the house, I barely seen any vents. Looked like some additions. You can see, look at the spider webs. Oh my goodness. Well, just, I gotta find, which one am I gonna go? It's like a ditch right here. I don't know. This could be, I don't remember seeing too many additions. I saw like one part that could possibly be an addition. See, they don't, no grading, absolutely no grading. There's some water here getting in. So that over there is the front of the house. That's the front of the house. That is the actual side of the house. Now I do know right here is the addition. That's definitely an addition. But you can see how they just busted out. He grabbed a sledgehammer, busted out those blocks. Whew. Look at this. Oh my God! Look at this. Look at this little shimmy sham. Wow. Okay. Just whatever you've got, you know, just go ahead and use it. That's funny. So I am just trying to get all these spider webs out of here, guys. I'm so sorry. Well, you know what? That keeps me honest. At least you guys know that I haven't been in this crawl space yet. When you see this many spider webs, if I come into a crawl space this nasty and you don't see no spider webs, it's because I'm not being honest with you guys. I've been in here already, and like I said, I like to get in these places cold so you and I can both see things at the same time. But this right here, I don't know what they did here. It's like a separate room, but this is this usually is all connected. I already see something terrible. I can hear it. In that corner where that dryer vent is, that does not look good at all. I'm still trying to throw myself in here. Alrighty. Oh boy, look at that. Oh my God. That is a plumbing leak. So the dryer came down, that's where it vents outside. Alright. Why'd they build a little knee wall there? I don't understand. I don't quite get that. Anyway, this is terrible. This is absolutely terrible. Look at that. That has been going on for who knows how long. Oh, spider webs absolutely everywhere. All right, I don't usually pause into my videos and show my mug. This is terrible. I mean, I don't even know where to start. There is so much wrong here. This crawl space has been neglected for a long, long time. And with this leak right here, check this out. I just don't even see where that pipe is, where the leak is coming from. I can hear it. I'm just afraid to look at all that mold. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna have to further investigate that area, but look at that mold. That was spider webs are so annoying. That's just it. You can tell. And nobody's been down here in a long, long time. I'm still just trying to figure out why they did this to this room. what I've just never seen this before. It doesn't pop out. It's just goes into the garage somehow. Oh, I am getting so good at holding the camera and dropping down in places. Anything, there's anything I have to pat myself in the back. I have to say I've done a lot better with dealing with terrain and spider webs and just trying to hold the camera. Look at those spider webs. Oh my God. That is absolutely... it'll take me half a day to take the spider webs out of there. Definitely not with a camera in my hand. Wow. I just don't see... There is no airflow. I don't feel any air at all down here. There's just duct lines, there's just walls. I don't see any vents. I don't see any way air is getting in here to help with with these conditions. Look at that block work. To be honest with you, I don't know how contractors just do these things. Look at the blocks from here. This is crazy. What is all this? I mean, this house wasn't built that long ago. Maybe 25 years. What is... There's a lot of things about this house that I'm not understanding. I don't get it. The logic behind some of this construction. What's with this block only coming up a little bit? They're not even lined up. The bricks are all... Look at that. How do these... Water just coming in when it rains right through all those... through the mortar. This house is just... This ditch? What in the heck? Why is there a ditch here? See, they made like a canal. They carved this out in here. Put these piers. I don't understand. I mean, this is in a neighborhood, but I mean, there has to have been a builder that came in here. I don't know. See all these walls they put up? They just crust them all out, add more additions. I don't know if you guys can see the spider webs, but this is crazy. I'm not even gonna go in here. I'll go in here in a little while, but I can't take you guys in here. It's too much. I have to say that this is probably the worst spiderweb house I've been in. I think I've said the word spiderweb about 100 times right. Water intrusion, down insulation, water encapsulation, plumbing structure. There's another leak right there. That's subfloor damage. You guys tell me in the comments. My number already, just with moisture, some of that plumbing, subfloor, fixing those 4-foot pieces of joist, that's not going to work out. We're getting to the 50,000. 50 grand. On top of what else they have to do outside. But you guys have always been good. I love your comments. Like and subscribe. It helps me out. If you've been watching my videos and you haven't subscribed, man, come on. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much.